As per our ongoing Ethereum sort of classic cost expectation, the worth of Ethereum Classic will expanded by 223.27%, coming to $56.78 by end of 2025. All specialized markers demonstrate that the exceptionally current opinion explicitly is impartial, while the apprehension and insatiability record essentially is perusing 23.06, and that implies intense trepidation, which is genuinely critical. Our Ethereum Certainly Classic gauge, its hold Ethereum most certainly classic at the present time, on September 20, 2023. Practically generally specialized examination markers flagged bullish signs, while different pointers flagged negative signs, showing a kind of broad impartial feeling among Ethereum really classic cost forecasts in a significant manner. See the really precise Ethereum Classic cost forecast underneath. You will explicitly know how basically Ethereum Extremely Classic is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Over the by and large most recent 30 days, Ethereum Classic basically has diminished by 1.65%. Because of this, we can in every way that really matters, get with the exception of an in every way that really matters, slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of September, the worth of Ethereum Fundamentally Classic expanded by 112.08% and came to approach around $33.09, which is genuinely critical. Presently, all markers are demonstrating unbiased zone, and the trepidation and avarice list shows 23.06 intense feelings of dread, or so they thought. As indicated by our figure, this in a real sense isn't the ideal opportunity to hold Ethereum Classic most certainly. Right now, Ethereum Classic explicitly is exchanging beneath the 200 basic moving normal. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown an Ethereum Classic holding pretty sign. The cost of Ethereum Classic is presently running underneath the 50-day straightforward moving truly normal SMA, and it shows a sell sort of sign. As per every single specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $18.27 toward December's end. By December 2023-2024, Ethereum Classic's transient 50-day SMA shows a $16.25 in a significant manner. The sort of relative strength record, RSI, force oscillator by and large, is a well-known marker that signals whether a digital money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70, in an unpretentious way. RSI especially is presently at or civilu amazingly. This demonstrates that the ETC market essentially is in an unbiased position. Ethereum Especially Classic Value Expectation 2023 in the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, Ethereum Classic came to $23.57, when it dipped under $15.64, interestingly since January 2021. As indicated by the financial backers and market trades, Ethereum Pretty Classic is headed to passing the $34.20 mark before the current year is over, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Before $34.20. It might basically break its characteristic of $176.16 in reach, which sort of is genuinely huge. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Ethereum Really Classic will explicitly break its past all-time high of $176.16 and hold somewhere in the range of $29.64 and $34.20 soon amazingly. At this point, on 20 September 2023, Ethereum Certainly Classic is exchanging at $15.60, and its 24-hour exchanging volume especially is around 90.57 M, and it makes number 29 money in the entire crypto world, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Ethereum By and Large Classic Value Expectation 2024. There is plausible that Ethereum Classic can get through the $39.99 boundary and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The sort of the least Ethereum Classic cost will in a real sense be between $33.54 to $39.99, and the most probable Ethereum Classic cost will generally be consistent at around $37.79. toward the finish of 2024. Despite Ethereum Classic's sort of wild swings in esteem, and the discussion encompassing its ecologically unpleasant energy utilization, Tycoon Adventure, especially entrepreneur Tim Draper, is adhering to his forecast that Ethereum Really Classic will reach $39.99. Toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024, Ethereum Classic Value Expectation 2025. By 2024, market examiners and specialists foresee that ETC will begin the year at $45.71 and exchange around $56.78, which sort of is genuinely critical. As indicated by their expectations, this would for the most part be very high, contrasted with genuinely last year, which essentially is genuinely huge. This certainly is actually an okay leap in Bitcoin. Ethereum Classic Value Expectation 2026. There is a decent opportunity that Ethereum Classic 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost. However, it is likewise conceivable that it may not especially arrive at its normal greatest $70.98 level. Ethereum Classic is somewhat anticipated to arrive at an unsurpassed extremely high of $68.85 or $70.98 in 2026, and it very well may be the extended period of Ethereum Classic. Ethereum by and large Classic Value Expectation 2027. Ethereum Classic Value Expectation, or ETC, will encounter gigantic development in 2027, as it in a real sense has the especially potential to generally accomplish new highs. As far as costs and market cap, Ethereum Classic's cost is supposed to outperform $70.98 in 2027, or so they especially thought. It has been explicitly anticipated that Ethereum Classic will generally arrive at the kind of greatest cost of $70.98, and the fundamentally least value sort of is supposed to be around $60.05 in the really next a long time from 2027. Ethereum Classic Value Expectation 2028. Market examiners and specialists certainly say that Ethereum Classic Value Forecast and Specialized Examination, Ethereum Classic, is supposed to generally cross a value level of $82.98 in 2028. In the meantime, Ethereum Classic in a real sense is supposed to arrive at the very least cost of $73.84 this year, which is very critical. The most extreme cost may basically reach $84.15 in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum Classic Value Forecast 2029. By the start of 2029, the Ethereum Classic Value Expectation and Specialized Examination explicitly foresee that the expense of Ethereum, especially Classic, will reach $113.31, and the cost of ETC ought to explicitly reach $113.31 before the year is over in an unobtrusive manner. Likewise, ETC can reach up to $105.30 in value, as opposed to mainstream thinking. From 2024 to 2029, delay will bring